Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to open your Ford Fiesta key fob. First, locate the small slot or indentation on the side of your key fob. This is usually where the two halves meet. Next, carefully insert a small flathead screwdriver or a coin into this slot. Apply gentle pressure and twist the tool. You should hear a slight click as the two halves begin to separate. Be careful not to force it. Once the key fob is open, you'll see the small, round battery inside. Take a moment to note which way the battery is facing, usually with the positive side up. This is important for correct reinstallation. Use a small, non-metallic tool, like a plastic pry tool or your fingernail, to gently lift the old CR2032 battery out of its compartment. Try to avoid touching the circuit board directly. Now it's time to install your new battery. Most Ford Fiesta key fobs use a CR2032 coin cell battery. Place the new battery into the compartment, making sure the positive side, which usually has a plus sign, is facing upwards, just like the old one was. Gently press down on the battery to ensure it's securely seated in its holder. A proper fit is crucial for reliable function. Finally, it's time to reassemble your key fob. Carefully align the two halves of the fob, making sure all the buttons and components are in their correct positions. Gently press the two halves together until you hear a satisfying click, indicating they are securely fastened. Now, test your key fob by trying to lock and unlock your car doors. It should work perfectly. Also, remember to check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals. Staying hydrated is always a good idea.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.